So as I'm filming this video right now, we just hit 5,000 subscribers, which, considering we just started this channel 6 months ago, that is an absolutely huge accomplishment. And you, the viewers, our subscribers, you like our videos, you subscribe to the channel, we would like to thank you. You're pretty much the only reason the YouTube channel stays alive. And as a result, as a thanks to you, we're going to be giving away multiple subscriptions to our $200 a year platform, and you can join over 1,500 other Canadians absolutely free. So this won't be a very long video. What I'm going to be going over is essentially what our premium platform is, if you haven't had a chance to check us out. And if you think it's a platform you really want to join, all you got to do is head down below, comment on the video, say you want in. But the key thing here is we're only leaving the contest open for 24 hours. So this video has not been sent to any of our 20,000 newsletter subscribers. It is only for YouTube subscribers. So you have first access to drop a comment down below to be entered to win, but you have to comment within the first 24 hours. After 24 hours, we're going to close it down and we're going to select 2 winners, and those winners will be announced in our video next week. So with that being said, let's go over exactly what our premium platform is. So if we see the main dashboard here, you'll see our top dividend stocks and our top growth stocks picked for the week. And this is essentially dividend stocks and growth stocks that our stock screeners, which we developed prior to launching Stocktrades Premium, release to premium members every single week. So along with these top dividend stocks and top growth stocks, if we go down here, we have our model portfolios. And as you can see, the model portfolios, pretty much every single one except for 2 are outpacing their benchmark index, which would be the TSX. The Millennial Conservative is over 100%. So these portfolios came into inception on December 28th, 2018. So since December 28th, 2018, the Millennial Conservative portfolio has returned over 101% to people who chose to model it. And this year it's returned 38.2%. Our foundational picks are essentially 10 picks that we release every single year that we feel every single Canadian needs to be looking at. Here at Stocktrades, we're pretty firm believers of having a foundation to your portfolio. I am an avid growth investor, but that doesn't mean that my whole portfolio is allocated to growth stocks. I have what I call my foundation, which is the bulk of my portfolio that is made up of defensive, reliable stocks. So if we look down here, we'll see recent reports. These are the reports that have been updated by us. The ones that are blurred out are essentially earnings reports that we've updated for stocks on our bull lists, our individual picks. So as we see here, this is our overall report, and these will be the same with our bull list stocks, our individual growth bull list stocks. These reports will be the same. Our dividend bull list is a little bit different because we really go into the dividend growth, dividend safety, stock valuation, things like that. But as we can see here, somebody had requested a report on Ballard Power, so we produced it. The top end here is our screener, what our screener determines in terms of safety, valuation, growth. As you can see here, they have an overall growth rating of 2.5 out of 5. Our screener also prints out industry averages. So the industry that Ballard Power is in, we can see the price to sales, the price to earnings, the price to book, the earnings growth, the revenue growth, and we can compare how Ballard looks to the industry. In terms of competition, with a company like Ballard, it's kind of a bad example because there isn't really too much competition here in Canada. But say with a utility company like Fortis, you would see other companies like Canadian Utilities, Algonquin Power and Utilities here. And we would compare how expensive Ballard is compared to its competition. The pros and cons of the stock, the company information, what the company does, 1-year price targets, upside potential, the company's plans for growth and their past earnings, the biggest risks with investing in the company, how they did last quarter, and our overall recommendation and we'll get into the questions a bit later, and then a quote feature. The thing that makes us different from a lot of these other services is the fact that if we recommend a stock on our bull list, these reports are updated every single time a company reports earnings. And I know this is a frustration with a lot of people who sign up for these stock pick services who, they post a pick in January, you sign up in July, the report hasn't been updated in 6 months, and you really don't know what the overall outlook is on the company right now. You're kind of left in the dark. There is really no other platform in the country. I mean, if you can find one, drop it in the comments below. I'd be happy to look at it. But I mean, with these reports taking up hours of research, doing them, 4 times a year, every single time they report earnings, you are, in terms of bang for your buck, and I'm not even trying to be biased here, but there's just nothing else offered in the country right now like what we offer. The one thing we're pretty avid about here too is we do not have upsells. You pay your money, you get into the platform, and then immediately within 5 minutes, they're stuffing a more expensive thing in your face, saying, hey, you paid a couple $100, but this $1,200 option will really help you make money. There's no upsells here. If you come into premium, the price you pay is a price you will pay. We don't have any extra things here. We're not trying to bait and switch you, get you in for cheap just so that we can pump you full of other offers. So another thing we offer, and I would say, and I know I say this a lot about popular features, but this definitely is the most popular feature we have here, our Q&A. So essentially, our Q&A, you come on here, you ask a question, any question you want, whether it be an individual company, you want us to research a company, you want us to produce a report, or you have a basic investment question, like what does a preferred share mean? Should I be buying bonds right now? Anything, absolutely anything you want, you can ask in this section. I mean, if we scroll down here, we have a ton of, is VersaBank a good long-term buy? Commenting on Ryokan's earning results. Are we covering US stocks? What do we think about Stingray Group? Pembina Pipeline is a strong buy at current prices. I mean, these are all questions that investors have, that probably a lot of investors have, and that's why this feature is so useful. We have members that log on to here, and you can literally spend hours digging through these questions, finding solid research. And not solid research just from us, but by members who've done their own research and are bringing it to us for verification. This is essentially our growth stock screener, which will analyze companies based on safety, valuation, and growth metrics. And in the end, it spits out a grade from 0 to 5. These screeners are really useful in identifying, stocks that are undervalued, stocks that may provide better than expected growth when compared to the market. So along with that, we have our dividend stock screener, and our dividend stock screener doesn't necessarily analyze the company, it analyzes the overall safety of the dividend. So what we do with our dividend stock screener, and as you can see, much like our growth screener, you can search it by sector. With this screener, we look at a bunch of things. We look at the free cash flows of the company, the operating cash flows, the payout ratio in terms of earnings, payout ratio in terms of free cash flows, operating cash flows. We have the dividend growth streak. We have the 5-year dividend growth rate, the 1-year dividend growth rate, the yield, and overall, much like our growth screener, it spits out a grade of 0 to 5, 5 being the best. This dividend screener can be a lifesaver in terms of, if you're looking at a stock with a high dividend yield, you're wondering if that dividend is safe. Instead of having to dig through the financial documents, you can just head to this screener. I mean, we have their payout ratio, we have their free cash flow ratio, we have their growth streak, their 5-year dividend growth rates. So last but not least, we had a lot of requests over the last while. Prospective members were emailing us I want to read some reviews first. So just last month, we launched a review platform on Trustpilot. I'm not going to go over this too much. I'm going to drop a link in the description below if you want to read some of these reviews. I mean, over the course of the year, this is costing you less than $20 a month to gain access to hundreds of hours of research and screeners that are going to save you so much time. It's crazy. So thank you for sticking around till the end of the video. Really hope you like this overview of our premium platform. Remember, the only way you can be eligible to win for us hitting 5,000 subscribers is drop a comment on this video. Let us know you're interested. Let us know you're in. When we release our video next week, we're going to go over the winners who were chosen at random in the comments below. Plus, we're going to give you more great Canadian stocks to be looking at today. Again, thank you. The support means so much to us, and we'll see you next time.